Today we are going to be looking at common and proper nouns. Last week we discussed nouns and reviewed what they are, and nouns are any person, place, thing, or animal. Any person, place, thing, or animal is a common noun. For example, book, teacher, dog, school. Those are all common. A proper noun names a certain person, place, or thing. Names of months, days of the week, and holidays are also proper nouns and get a capital letter. All proper nouns get a capital letter. Some examples of proper nouns are Pam, Mrs. Smith, Fluffy, October, Christmas, Main Street, Thursday. Can you think of some more proper nouns? Well, I think if you really think in your head right now, you could come up with lots of proper nouns. Any friend of yours is a proper noun. So if you were to think of a boy, Brady is a proper noun. It is a specific boy. Mrs. Sember is a proper noun. It is a specific teacher. The days of the week always start with a capital letter, and they are all proper nouns. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are all proper nouns. If you just said the day of the week, then that is a common noun. But if you say Monday is the day we are going, Monday is the proper noun. So do the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. They are all proper nouns and they all need a capital letter. Every holiday must start with a capital letter. All holidays are proper nouns. So Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Kwanzaa, Easter, Yom Kippur, and all the other holidays you could think of are proper nouns. If a holiday has the word day in its name, the D must also be capitalized. This is important because many times students forget to capitalize the D in day. So for example, New Year's Day. All three of those words are capitalized. Memorial Day. Both words are capitalized. Veterans Day, Labor Day, President's Day. If we were to write Valentine's Day, Valentine's is capitalized as well as day. Both need a capital letter. When we are writing a street name, we capitalize the first letter of all the words. So if we just wrote Maple and Street and we did not capitalize the S, that would be wrong. We need to capitalize the M in Maple and the S in Street because that is a proper noun. When we write a person's name with a special title in front of it, we must capitalize the title. So Mr. Jones, both of those are capitalized. Dr. Williams, Captain Hook, Mrs. Smith. Just like when you write your teacher's name, Mrs. Turbyville, the M and T must be capitalized. Ms. Salerno, the M and the S must be capitalized. Mrs. Sember, the M and the S must be capitalized. Let's look at this sentence, and let's find the noun that must be capitalized. Mr. Jung works at the store. Well, we have a couple nouns in this sentence. We have Mr. Jung and store. But they don't all need to be capitalized. Let's look at the next slide. We need to capitalize Mr. because it's the name of somebody, and it's also the beginning of the sentence. And then we need to capitalize Jung because that is his last name, Mr. Jung. The other noun in the sentence is store. We do not capitalize store because it is not naming a specific store. If it said Mr. Jung works at Target, then Target would need to be capitalized. But because it only says store, we do not capitalize it. Thanksgiving is always in November. Well, again, we have two nouns in this sentence, so let's look at the next slide. So Thanksgiving is a holiday. Therefore, it needs a capital T. November is a month. Therefore, it needs a capital N. Both are proper nouns. Right now, I want to sort some common and proper nouns. So if I had the word dog, dog is common. But if I said a specific dog, so if I said Blaze, which is my dog, okay, I would need to capitalize it. So if I said my dog went to the vet yesterday, I would not need to capitalize dog. But if I said Blaze went to the vet yesterday, then I would need to capitalize it. Okay, girl is a common noun. That girl likes to go to dance class. I don't need to capitalize girl. It's not a specific person. But if I said Taylor likes to go to dance class, Taylor is a specific person. If I said we went to the restaurant yesterday, restaurant is just a regular noun. It's a common noun. It does not name a specific restaurant. But if I said we went to Red Lobster yesterday, Red Lobster is a specific restaurant. We would need to capitalize red and lobster. You are going to now work on identifying common and proper nouns in a sentence. If the noun is common, you will check common. If it is proper, you will check proper. The noun you will be looking at will be underlined.